In the Russian language, we have only 3 tenses, and to talk about the things we have tried in our life, we use Russian past simple plus ever. So let's recall how we can form Russian past simple. To do that, just add the following endings: L for masculine nouns, La for feminine nouns, and Li for plural form or for the polite form of вы. Let's take the verb быть as an example. Был, была, были. Когда-нибудь. Ты когда-нибудь был в Лондоне? Ты когда-нибудь пробовал русский борщ? Ты когда-нибудь прыгал с парашютом? So, let's see how we can answer positively. Use да, and you can also repeat the verb that was used in the question. Ты когда-нибудь был в Лондоне? Да, был. Ты когда-нибудь прыгал с парашютом? Да, прыгал. Or прыгала if a woman answers. If you want to answer negatively, say no. Use the construction «я никогда не». For example, ты когда-нибудь пробовал русский борщ? Я никогда не пробовал русский борщ. So please write in the comments what you have tried and what you haven't tried in your life. If you want to study the Russian language seriously, visit my website following the link in the description.